Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD tutorial how to put millimeter on dimension. So for example, I will create a rectangle object and set for dimension to 100 and 100. The next, you can use a dim line command to create dimension linear. And after it, if you want to set the millimeter after the numbers in the dimension, you can tap D to go to the dimension style, click modify, and then click the primary units tab. So for precision, I will set to 0. And then to set millimeter, you can click here in the suffix, space, and then part millimeter. Now we can click OK, and then close to set to the dimension. Okay, I will cut against dimension linear in the rack here, and it will be set the millimeter after the value. Okay, that's it for basic AutoCAD tutorial how to put millimeter in dimension.